I would like to start this video by thanking Imperial College of London for this incredible opportunity put forward my idea of a clean energy source. One of the major causes of global warming is the burning of fossil fuels. We are at a critical moment in time where we need to find an alternative to fossil fuels, and this is where I think my idea can make a difference. Let us dive deep into the Earth to explore one of our planet's most reliable and sustainable energy sources, geothermal energy. My proposal is to harness naturally existing heat from the core of the Earth to create clean power. Geothermal energy is a form of renewable energy that comes from heat stored within the Earth. The Earth's core is extremely hot due to residual heat from the planet's formation, radioactive decay of minerals, and heat from the mantle. We can harness this energy to heat the water, which will be converted to steam. This steam will be used to run small turbines, which will convert the kinetic energy into electrical energy. All this will happen in a closed loop, which means the energy source is near infinite. As you can see in the picture, we first need to drill through the earth to a depth of 4.2 kilometers approximately to utilize the heat underground. At this point, the temperature reach up to 200 degrees Celsius. The lower half of the closed loop is made of API K55 carbon steel PSL2, which is characterized by its remarkable thermal conductivity as well as amazing crack resistance. The upper half of the closed loop is made of steel, which houses a turbine. The steam which is generated when the water touches the floor travels up the closed loop and spins the turbine. Here, the kinetic energy from the turbine is converted into electrical energy. The steam then continues to travel up, which then comes into contact with a metallic plate, which condenses the steam back into liquid. The liquid then goes through the same processes, which means we get very efficient and clean energy. We can use treated sewage water to fill our geothermal loop instead of taking water from fresh water sources. This will further the environmental benefits of my proposal. It provides water for the closed loop where there is no clean water source available. Having a constant supply of treated water will mean there is always backup water in case of any malfunctions, and we can fix any leaks with minimal energy loss. Suitable locations for the structure to maximize power generation are sedimentary basins including the East Midlands, Greater Manchester, the Humber, and Cheshire or Scotland and South Wales, with Scotland being identified as a geological superregion. The cost is higher than other renewable energy methods, but costs are expected to drop due to the advancement of technology and can also vary depending on the location. We can also use abandoned quarries and wells to cut down on drilling costs by around 40%. Even though the installation sounds complicated, once we establish the structure, we will get clean energy for a good value. We should do everything we can to move towards a better future. Thanks for listening.